Hello, welcome back. In this video we will discuss about basic important interview questions that sometimes interviewers ask about what is element, project, model and packages. So this is basically the part of the Visual Studio. So to create a project you must have the should have the idea about what is element, what is project, what is AOT, all these kind of things. So first we will talk about what is element. So elements are actually smallest unit of the development in Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation. They actually represents the object in the applications such as table, forms and classes. These are all elements, and elements are stored in the application object tree. So from where you can see the object tree, if you'll go to the applications explorer, if you will not be able to find out, so you have to go to the view in the Visual Studio, and from here you will be able to see there is a application explorer. You can click on that and you will get this application explorer, and inside the application explorer you will get different types, data types, data models, code, and if you'll expand it you will get different types of table, right? Table extension, view is there, and for code you have to go here. For user form you have to go user interface. For reports you have to go there, and if you'll expand the table node here you will get different tables which is actually synced with the SQL server. Okay, so these all are actually objects. So form is a object or element, tables is a object or element, or class also a class also a element or a object. And what is the project now? So project is a collection of elements that are related to each other, and projects are used to organize element and make it easier to manage development. And projects are stored in the Visual Studio solution file. So here you can see I have already a project here in the solution explorer, and inside the solution explorer I have created that project. The name of the project is training project, and inside the first bracket this is the layer, and inside the third bracket you can see training, answer is training. This is the model. So how to create a model actually? So you have to go to the extension, and then from here model management you can click here and you can create the model there, and on that model you have to specify the actually layer also. So training project is actually project which is under the solution explorer, and inside this you can see there I have two objects. One is a class and one is a runnable class, and inside the project you can add many items or elements by right click on that, and you will get all these things here, and you have to select if you want to add model, then you can select from here data model. If you want to add a data type here, from here you can add. If you want to add a code or class, interface, macros, from here you can add. If you want to add report, so this way you can add elements or objects inside your project. So this is the project. So what is project? Projects are the collection of elements that are related to each other, and projects are used to organize element and to make it easier and manage development. Projects are stored in the Visual Studio solution file. Now next we will go to the models. Models are actually collection of projects that are related to each other, and models are used to group projects together and to make it easier to deploy and manage applications. Models are stored in the model file. Okay, So here you can see there is actually a model. So if you'll right click and if you'll go in this open project explorer, you'll be able to see there is a training project, right? And if you'll go to the REA folder, so here you will get all the related projects there. Okay, and your model is actually collection of all the projects, and later you can create a deployable package. So from here you can actually create the deploy. You can create deploy. You have to click the deploy, and from there create a deployable package. So you have to click that deployable package. So now we'll understand what is packages. So packages are a collection of models that are related to each other, and packages are used to deploy application to the production, and packages are stored in the package file. And if we'll talk about the relationship between the element, projects, model and packages, is like this kind. It will be like this: elements are contained in the project, projects are contained in the models, and models are contained in the packages. And few important points. For example, a project might contain a table from a class. The project would be contained in a model, and the model would be contained a package. So I hope this is clear for you. What is element, what is project, what is model. In the next video we'll cover few more important questions. So see you in the next video. Take care, bye bye.